In this video, I'll show you how you can use ChatGPT to summarize a YouTube video. Let's say you found a 30-minute video, but you don't want to watch the whole thing. Instead, you just want a quick summary. Here's how to do it. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. Now, you can start by typing something like, "Can you summarize this YouTube video for me?" The title is. Then paste the video title and the channel name. Go back to the YouTube video, copy the full URL from the address bar, and then paste it into ChatGPT. You can say something like, "Here is the URL of the video." Once you send that, ChatGPT will generate a summary of the video for you. But here's something even more powerful. You can ask follow-up questions like, "Give me the 5 key takeaways from this video in bullet points." And just like that, ChatGPT will break it down into clear, easy-to-read bullet points. That's how you can quickly summarize any YouTube video using ChatGPT and save yourself a lot of time. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.